Welcome back to Eating the African Way. My name is Nicholas. This place is called Ndeba, one of the suburbs of Kampala City, the capital city of Uganda. We are going to meet one of the business ladies in this place who makes the most delicious cowhead soup in this entire place. But before we go into that, let us go to the abattoir and see what happens there after we're going to come back here and enjoy our dish. Keep watching, and this is Eating the African Way. Welcome back from the abattoir. How was it? So leo tunataka kula kichwa ya ng'ombe, mukuje tukule. Finally this is our lady. Tusanyisa okulaba nnyabo. Kale. Lero ogenda tuyigize engeri gye bafumamu omutwe. So guno mulimu gumaze mu bbanga ki? Wow. She has been in this business for almost 1 year. Obifunyemu kirungi ki? She told us she has been in this business for over 1 year, and she managed to buy a plot and taking care of the kids. Buli nyama buli kifo ekitunda sente meka? Tunyonyola ogenda kukozesa ki? Mbadde bulijjo simanyi nno ennyama y'omuto bagirya. Ate nali simanyi terina n'ennyama bweti. So ogenda ogifumba mu ngeri ki ey'enjawulo?
Kati wano ngenda kugyoza.
So each piece is 1K, that is 1,000 Ugandan shillings. She buys this cow head at 40 or 50,000 Ugandan shillings, and she gets a profit of 10,000 Ugandan shillings daily. So I think this can be a great business for you if you want to start up the same business. We have been waiting for 2 hours for our meat to get ready. And I think after that, she's going to add in the ingredients after 2 hours. I think we'll again wait for 1 more extra hour for this meat to get ready for eating, and then we'll be welcoming in customers to come and buy as you're going to watch the video. Keep watching. But I know you have seen how the day started. We went to the abattoir, we came back here. You saw all the process and everything went well. Thank you so much for being on Eating the African Way. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you've been with us, thank you so much for being on Eating the African Way. Thank you so much. You can come in and join us, me and my ancestors. This is so hot. Katamugamba lwaki tabireka ne biwola n'alyoka abirya. I can't finish this. This is so hot. I need to give it time to cool. I think we'll catch up in the next video. Oh. Catch up in the next video. See you later.
Tugume tukole tufune bulamu bunyuma ng'olinamu tumale tuzinywe tuzirye obulamu bwa kiseera tomanya tugume tukole tufune bulamu bunyuma ng'olinamu tumale tuzinywe tuzirye obulamu bwa kiseera tomanya bantu bayiri bakolerwe batagatawa babagobawo. Yeah man, this is a message around the things bad.